Idea is the real currency of the world. Once you get the idea right and implement it, you are money. Your creativity brings in your ideas, but ideas not implemented is total waste of time. So to convert your ideas from your mind to become a reality is a process, and it is a combination of stubbornness and flexibility. You have to be very stubborn about your ideas. You trust the idea. You believe in this idea. It's your life. It's your passion. Nobody will believe for you. You have to believe yourself. At the same time, you have to be very flexible. You must have the wisdom to know where to be stubborn and where to be flexible. Don't change your goals, your vision. Be stubborn about your idea. You will be put off by the challenges, the difficulties, the rate of implementing is still just as they put off. That's why they said entrepreneurship is for the brave, for the bold, it's not for the faint-hearted. You must be there, stubbornly there, no matter what. You must be flexible in your approach. That's where your flexibility comes, because things might change. You might have a wrong perception of how to implement it. Don't be stubborn that time when the right ideas come. Flow with the right ideas. The bottom line, you want to achieve your purpose. And your purpose is to put your ideas into reality. It takes two things: stubbornness and flexibility. Idea is the real currency of the world. Once you get the idea right and implement it, you are money. Your creativity brings in your ideas, but ideas not implemented